Hello, my name is John Almer. I live in Grange Park, and I'm giving you this virtual solar tour showing my panels in the back here. First, why did we do this? We installed these in 2016 to do our part to fight climate change, and so for primarily environmental reasons, but there are also economic reasons. These have a payback period of about 10 years. We installed them in early 2016, so we're 7 years into it. So soon these will be paying us back. So why not do an investment that pays you back? About the system itself, these have 23 panels, each 280 watts. So for 6.4 kilowatt power, they produce about 7,000 kilowatt hours annually. And so that's about 80% of our energy use. Our energy, it originally covered 100% and then went down to about 75% once we add 2 electric cars. And so we charge these primarily at the home. These have a DC to AC inverters or microinverters right underneath the panels. There's other systems that have it, the inverter, central inverter, but these are microinverters. And so directly underneath, they produce AC energy, and that goes into our electrical panel. And so it feeds the grid when we're producing more energy than we're using, which is the case now. We have a beautiful sunny day. And in days when we need it, we use the grid effectively as an energy battery. So we do not have a battery backup, but if you are considering a need for a backup, this can be a viable option to having a diesel generator, for example. So we've been very happy with the panels. Just some things to consider if you're thinking about going solar. First, you want to have a reasonable roof. So south, east, west exposures are all good. We have a primarily southern exposure in our home. You don't want to do it on an old roof. You want to have something that's at least, you don't need to be replaced in about 10 years. But you should be thinking about 25 years or so. That's kind of the lifetime of the panels tested. I think they're going to actually last longer than that. You want to kind of check your electrical connection. Usually 200 amps is preferred, but you might be able to get away if you have a 100 amp service with minor upgrades. So we've been really happy with them, and I will be here for the regular tour. So if you want to see more and talk to me, I'd be happy to talk to you then. Thanks for your attention.